Thanks for your interest in AudioFetch. AudioFetch takes various audio sources and puts them on Wi-Fi to be received from smartphones and tablets via the free AudioFetch app as seen here. Today we're profiling very briefly a typical AudioFetch installation which supports church drive-in services. You would have one FetchExpress or more, or a Fetch Lite model depending on how many users you're trying to accommodate. The FetchExpress does have integrated Wi-Fi. In this case, we're using an outboard router to support additional number of users and accomplish greater range. Typical connections to the AudioFetch gear include a headphone output connection from the Soundboard that connects to the stereo jack input of the FetchExpress. There is an Ethernet connection from the router also to the FetchExpress, and then power to both the router and the FetchExpress, and of course the Soundboard. It's interesting to note that the Wi-Fi that supports AudioFetch does not have to have internet support behind it. Thanks for your interest in AudioFetch. We welcome your additional questions.